Hello po, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Yes. Touchdown Kyrgyzstan.
Excuse me?
Guys, yun na po, nasundo na po kami ng service namin, going to the hotel, and he's just right over there. They're so nice. Mababait naman po sila. Agad, char. Guys, look at this! Hoy, Bev, look at dito! Ah, I thought there. Oh my God! Nakakatuwa, malamig. Basa po, andaan.
So there you go, guys. At this time, we're gonna go to our hotel, which is located in Bishkek. That's their city, and our hotel is just in Shah Palace Hotel. From Manas International Airport, we just need to travel like around 1 hour, enable for us to reach the hotel. And while going to the hotel, we had time to take some clips and photos. It's a beautiful city, guys.
So guys, nasundo na po kami ng service namin. We're gonna go to the hotel now po, and I'm with Mio. Yay! Masaya po guys, kasi maganda pala siya guys. Akala ko ano siya, wala lang. Pero yeah, I'll show you the way. Nice, so nice po. Yes guys, what's up? So guys, we're already here in Shah Palace Hotel, and we're gonna stay here for the whole stay here in Kyrgyzstan. Ay ko, ang bigat ng dala ko. So, this is our room for the whole stay here. Can you take the key in my other hand?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, so just a quick room tour. And Mia's gonna make the tour.
Welcome, guys.
Yes, welcome. So this is a huge room. So this is a huge room, and we have it's right there after you go inside. When you enter the room, and dito na po yung washroom. So we have a bathtub here. Towels are provided. Yeah, so the other toiletries. Okay, and then it's just a simple room, which is part of the package. And we have our cabinets here. We have windows here, which we can see the snow. And then there you go. I think this will be my bed and Mia's bed. And yeah, we have the table here, so I can do my work here. Work? No work at all. I'm not gonna check my emails. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy here. I'll just update you later po, guys. Ay, magpapahinga lang ako. Sobrang pagod po talaga sa biyahe. My God, since last night, we don't even have a fucking sleep. Oh my God, I don't know if I will take the Wizz Air again. I prefer na Dubai na lang next time kasi it's so tiring, guys. So tiring. Sobrang nakakapagod po. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna recommend the Wizz Air regarding the cost. But then, kung naka-reside kayo sa Dubai and to the other places, and if you're planning to like avail their promotion, I don't know, just think twice. But then it's nice, yeah. It was nice, but then it was so tiring po. Yeah, and provided a sleeper also. Magpalit lang kami, guys. So, we're just gonna take some rest and yeah, maghahanap kami mamaya ng rest kasi sobrang gutom na po. I think we're just gonna take some rest for a few hours, 1 or 2, and then I'll just update you. Guys, tingnan nyo yung ano ko. Alam mo ha? Guys, malamig. Hindi ako nagdoble ng leggings sa loob. Yung leggings na pang winter. Kasi sabi ko, I want to try without using it. So,
it's freezing, guys.
I'm just wearing the jogging pants alone. And Mio, just a trouser. And then, just, what's this? A sweatshirt. And then, pinatungan lang yun ng jacket. Ako naman, sweatshirt nga. Pero, look at this, guys. Crop top. So let's see kung hanggang kailan kami magsasurvive. So, we already searched for a resto and it's just about a 5 minutes walk from the hotel. So, yun, naglalakad na kami ngayon. Our hotel is just right there. That's the Shaw Palace Hotel. And ito yung way, guys. So, let's see. I hope we'll enjoy the food, guys. Oh my God! It's so super cold! Oh, yung sipon ko. Feeling ko tumutulong na yung sipon ko. Ooh, I love snow. Do you love snow, Mio? Si Mio lamig na. Parang siyang nasa iglo. So guys, here's the Papuri. It's just 5 minutes of walk from the hotel and we will try this. Yeah, so here. Yes, so guys, we're already inside here at the Papuri restaurant. I think we ordered a lot. We want to try there the legacy and you know, kind of food again. Actually, we already tried this in where was that? Georgia. Yeah, we tried this when we travel in Georgia, and we will try this again today, but this time we ordered the mushroom and the beef one, which we already tried before. So and yeah, so I think we ordered a lot. Sobrang gutom po kasi. So guys, napako-cozy nung place nila. I'll show.
Here you go, guys. So this is a cozy place and they really had a nice food, which is a stunning atmosphere and with a great service. And I want to recommend this place kasi sobrang sarap talaga ng food, especially the chicken barbecue.
Isa pa. Guys, we're gonna go home now. So, kakatapos lang po namin mag-dinner and nandito. There. Left side po. Diyan yung hotel namin. So, good morning. It is currently around 8:02 in the morning. Here, Kazakhstan tuloy muntik ko na masabi Kazakhstan, pero nasabi ko na. Yeah, I just heard the news kasi nabalitaan ko from Sheena. So, na may nag-plane crash nga. So, sinigurado ni Sheena na ang pinuntahan namin, Kyrgyzstan. So, yeah, Mia's still sleeping. So, let's just check what's outside the window. Good morning po pala. I-feel natin kung gaano siya kalamig, guys. But I'm pretty sure na malamig talaga siya. Oh my God! It's so freezing! Hello, Kyrgyzstan! Umuusok ang bibig ko! There you go. And this is the roof of the other house. I think it's just, yeah, yung beside ng hotel. So there you go. Good morning, Kyrgyzstan. Good morning, people. So yun na nga po, guys. So magisingin ko lang si Mio and we're gonna prepare for breakfast buffet downstairs kasi that's included in the package. And I think for today we're just gonna go around Bishkek. Parang gusto kong puntahan yung National Park, which is Ala Archa. And then we're just going to travel via taxi. Kasi I think if we're gonna do the package tour today, it will be more expensive kasi we still have tomorrow para gumala for the whole day. Yeah, so tingnan po natin kung saan kami makakarating later. Wow, good morning, Tristan. Nice. Nice shining out. Open the window.
Agi! Ang lamig ah. Let's go, guys.
Hello guys, at this time we're gonna go to Chunkarchak, and this is the highest mountain closest to Bishkek, which is popular among the Bishkek residents and the guests also of the capital. It is located near Bishkek and stretches for almost 30 kilometers. Chunkarchak is located at an altitude of 2,400 meters above and at the sea level, and from Kyrgyz, Chunkarchak translates as depression. Chunkarchak Mountains is considered one of the most beautiful mountains of Kyrgyzstan, and from here you can observe a colorful symbiosis of snowy mountains peak, especially this time.
So yes, guys, we're already here at the Chunkarchak. Yeah, this is one of the amusement park na first stop namin for today. This is only 300 som per person. So nagbayad kami ng 600 ni Mio, and then ito po siya. There. Lilibutin po namin yun. Meron kaming tour guide dito sa loob. Kinukuha lang ni Mio yung change na binayad niya sa loob. So, eto po siya. Po, ang hirap mo makipag-usap kapag nasa lang alam sa English. We're gonna go outside now and mag-start na po kami maglibot. Parang feeling ko tayo lang yung tao.
Tanghali naman kasi, panggabi ata ito.
Anyway, mag-picture na lang tayo. Come on.
Pang ano nga ako na ito.
So, yes guys, bakit na po si Mio?
Hindi sana matapos natin ito.
We're gonna try to go there. Tingnan po namin kung anong meron. Okay. Guys, nakaunang ano pa lang kami. Nakaunang hakbang pa lang kami dun sa unang hagdan. Pagod na kami. Ay, halika na. Hindi naman. So, hanggang doon pa po. Hanggang doon pa po yung akitin namin. Konti na lang, guys. Malapit na kami makaakyat. Guys, look at the view. Ang ganda. Sulit yung pagod mo sa pag-akyat, guys. Hi. Yes. And reached the top. Ikot ko kayo, guys.
Ikot tayo talaga.
Ikot natin sila. 1, 2, 3. Go. Ay, dahan-dahan. Go, guys. So, natapos na nga po yung pag-akit namin dito. Na-reach namin yung top. for the cost of 600. Dalawa na kami doon. 600 some. Sulit naman siya guys kasi napakaganda po ng view and mapapagod lang kayo. But then if you're totally fit, kung sanay ka sa mga akyatan, so it will be fun for you. Pero okay siya. Thumbs up for this. And for the final clips, gusto ko kayo i-tour dito sa taas. So we're on top of the mountains. Those beautiful mountains. And then, yay! Yes, it is. Oh, there you go.
Paghagis ng pataas.
Halamin na yung kamay ko. 1, 2, 3, go!
Sige pa, isa pa.
Sa pa, bilisan mo malamig na yung kamay ko. 1, 2, 3, go!
Isa pa. Sige na, isa pa. One more.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh, yay! Isa pa. 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! Isa pa, damihan mo! Isa pa!
Enough, please.
Wow, picture na maayos.
I can recommend this place during nighttime kasi mas marami siyang lights, and this is also recommended for the family and together with your friends. At this time, we're already going out and we're gonna go to the other place na kailangan naming puntahan for this day. So yeah. And so far guys, we're enjoying, especially me kasi at this time, kami lang yung nandito sa lugar na to. So, we took a good clips and views as well as the photos na rin kasi walang mga sagabal, diba? So, as in kami lang talaga. Literally kami lang. So, yeah, that was really good.
Doon.
Oh, may mga bundok dun. Guys, so just an update. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Sky Bridge. Tama ba? Yeah, Sky Bridge. And huminto lang po kami para mag-vlog. May kasunod na po kami. Tingnan nyo po yung baba. Bangin na po. Madulas po yung ito. Madulas po yung snow. So, medyo nakakatakot po. So, there, we're gonna go there. To the bridge. Magpipicture po kami. Guys, hindi ko alam kung kaya kong pumunta. Look at this. Kasi hanging bridge siya. So, yeah, ito yung sinasabi ko earlier na Sky Bridge. So, once you go inside, the entrance fee is like around 1,000 some. And if you're gonna use their drone, it will be 1,500. 500 plus the drone. So, I'm not sure if I can do this. Kasi sobrang may fear ako sa heights. I don't know if I will try. I don't want to try. I don't want to be on the safe side. Alas, I'm not gonna go there. So what? Yeah. Yeah. Just for safety, guys. I don't want to try. I have a fear of heights. Parang may premonition si Sheena. Yun, lalo na si Christian, parang natatakot siya. That's why they chatted me. So, I think, no. Yeah, I wanna be safe.
Patag.
So, guys, bibigyan po namin kayo ng mga ikot-ikot namin. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. There you go. Andun po yung bridge. Yes. Tinry ko po, pero hanggang dito lang po ako. Tingnan nyo, malapit lang. Yes, guys, so we're done at the Sky Bridge. That's the second stop na pinuntahan namin. Ayaw ni Miu, guys. Ayaw niya kasi mas takot siya sa akin. So, guys, mas mahirap yung way namin ngayon kasi madalas yung snow na dinadaanan. And then from here, kailangan namin dumaan papunta doon, para makatawid dun sa may mga sasakyan. Doon banda yung may sasakyan. Yeah, so, kailangang lakarin namin to. Medyo nakakatakot kasi, yun po yung baba. Bangin po yung medyo bangin na po siya. So, yes po. I'm happy po kasi exciting po yung pag-abak dun sa bridge. Nakakatakot. Pero, parang mas exciting po yung bayad, 1,000. At least nakaapak ako dun sa bridge, diba? Na-experience ko. Yun yung isa sa mga gusto ko ma-experience dito. So, yes. Pulot yellow. Yeah! One more. Pulot yellow. Sapa. Ah.
Pasok na yung 1, 2, 3, go po. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Paano yung okay. 1, 2, wait. 1, 2, 3.
I want to show you the view, guys. It's so amazing. So, we're done here na po, and we're gonna go to the other place. I'm not sure kung aling place ang susunod. Let's see po. We'll update you later po. Bye-bye! Oh, ikot na! Yay! Guys, just an update po. We're already here. Nearby, we're almost there. At Chunchurkak. Basta. Nandito na po kami sa valley, and yeah, so we're gonna take some few minutes para ma-reach namin yung top, and then yeah, I'll just show you the video po. There po, it's so nice po. Right. Nagsula po yung namin, oh. There. Ano nga ba ang tawag sa pupuntahan natin? Yes, yun na po, guys. Ito na po talaga. Yung pupuntahan po namin, the name is Chunchurkak Valley. Okay? So, yes. Natama ko na rin. Sorry, it's just a bit hard to say it kasi hindi ko kabisado yung lugar. So, yes.
Hello guys, we are currently here at Chunchurkak Ski Resort. So we're just gonna ride the cable car here, and let's see.
They have the ski here, and then they have the cable car as well. So I don't know how to ski. What we are planning to do is we're just gonna ride on the cable car. So para makita na rin namin yung buong places po. So yeah. And then, the Supara is there. There din na rin po sa baba. Supara, it's just a resto na, yeah, it's just a nearby dito sa tabi po na itong resort. So, yes, let's go. Let's gonna go inside.
Here.
How much is the payment? How much is that?
I don't know also.
But I think they are accepting card, right?
Yes.
Okay. Hi! Here we go na po sa ere! Yay! Nawamanid na yung isa kong kamay. Walang gloves. Whew! Hi!
Oh, lamig.
Yes, guys. So we just tried the cable car, and then it suddenly stopped.
I think.
Baka may sasakay.
Sasakay.
Pampalubag loob. Tapos ma-stranded kami dito overnight. Katulad ng mga nakikita ko sa horror. Tapos may mga wolves sa baba. Hindi kami makababa. Naiihina ako. So dito na ako naghubad ng pants. Pagkatapos yun na po. Na overnight na po hanggang sa dumating sa point na kailangan na po namin bumaba. Char mag-take ng risk. Okay na po. Tama na. Anyways, yes guys, so for the ticket po, it's just only 300 some. So, dalawa kami ni Mia, total of 600.
Guys.
Yeah, sobra po lamig. Pero pinaninindigan ko po yung pants. Look at my pants. At wala akong doble na. Wala akong doble. What do you call this? Yung
Warmer.
yes, warmer cause. So, I want to show you po, I thought that's the other cable car na pwedeng sakyan because we were trying to choose that kasi mahaba, but then it was only for the skis na nagbayad ng ticket para makapunta sila doon sa taas, tapos magsaslide na sila pababa. So yeah, there you go po.
Bakit pa tigil-tigil nakakain?
No, tumitigil kasi may sumasakay. So yes po, it's so nice po. It's a nice experience. Yay! Guys, mataas na rin siya. Dang! So yes guys, we're already here at the top. And look at the view. Oh, look at that. So pagdating nyo sa taas, pwede kayo mag-stop and you can just take some clips and photos. And then, yeah. Sana pala ginamit natin ito kanina. 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! Isa pa.
Bila na ako.
So, yun po. Tapos na po. Siguro, bababa na kami. Yeah. You wanna go down?
Doon na yun mo. Picture mo kita doon. Tara. Ito.
Here? Okay. Yes, so guys, we're gonna go down now.
Mamatay na ako.
We're gonna go down. I'll show you.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Ito po yung nakakatakot. Oh my God, nakakatakot po. I love Dubai. I love Kyrgyzstan. Medyo kailangan ko pong support yung phone kasi alam niyo namang sobrang clumsy po ako. Isang ganda po. Look at that view. Okay lang po na manigas ang right hand ko para mag-take ng magandang video. Look at me, oh. Nakatira ka sa iglo?
Takot ako. Lamig pa.
Guys, lamig siya. Oh my God. Samantala ako easy peasy lang. Gosh. Di ka pala bagay sa Europe country.
Ayun siya sabi mo.
Di pala bagay si Mia sa Canada. Or sa Europe country. Oh my God. Yes, I love Dubai! I love Kyrgyzstan! Char. Right, guys, seryoso na po. So, we're gonna go down now. After this, we're gonna go down now. And after this, I think there is, so we're done with the, Sky Bridge. And then,
Hindi talaga nawawala yung
Chun Korchak Valley. Done na rin. And then, ano to? Chun Korchak Ski Resort. Meron pong last one na lang na stop, which is Supara. But I think that's only a rest. So we're still gonna check it. But then, we're not sure if we're going to eat now kasi masyado pang maaga and hindi pa po kami gutom. So, yeah. So this is just 300 som per person. And kung i-compare nyo siya, what I mean is kung ko-convert nyo siya into dirham, it's just a small amount which everyone can afford. And yes po, it's nice po na mag-ride po ng cable car kasi safe naman po sila so far. Yeah. So yeah, we're heading ahead. Bye! Okay ka lang?
Tapos tayo. Yes, okay lang ako. Nag-worried ka ba?
Wala, kala ko hindi ka pa. Oh, hindi ka okay eh.
Ay, ka na. Ba't mahiga ka na? Kasi di ito yung...
Bilis lang ha!
Sige, mag-ganong-ganong ka, oh. Oh, sige na, baba.
Bilisan mo lang ba?
Sige na.
Slide.
Sige na, baba.
Bilisan mo lang ba?
Sige na. Naka-record na to. Sige na, baba na.
Paano gana? Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, go! Yahay! Yahay! Mama!
Go! Oh, maghagis ka ng yelo. Yes, sapa.
Tama na!
Shit, hindi na i-recorded. Just lang. Sapa, yan. Yan. Yay! Perfect. Bukas din. Itutur niya tayo sa Aranda City. Mountain of Kashka.
I-detect niya kung ano. Katulad nito, snow, ganon. Naka-snow, ano na rin siya. Format. So guys, right now we are here at Supara. Pumunta na lang kami kahit nung una, parang ayoko kasi hindi pa naman kami gutom. Kasi marami ring magandang view dito. So, we're just gonna take picture po. Yeah, we're just gonna take picture po. And then, yeah, yun lang po.
That's it.
So yes po, as I was saying earlier po, pumunta na lang kami dito kasi marami nga rin pong magagandang view which we can take picture and clips. So nagpicture na rin po kami dun sa bandang taas. Tapos at yung mga life, you're just planning to come over here. Meron silang mga cottages for you to stay for the whole night and for more days. And then, they have restaurant here. Yes. kapag mga parang nagmumongha yung trip nyo, diba? Yan po. Oh, ito yung grilling space nila. Ala, bakit tayo nakapunta dito? Kasi may nakita ako stairs. Ayun, no. O, diba? Ayun, no, washroom, bab. Ito pa. Ito pa. Dami, oh. Wala silang pake. Kaya sila nalalamig.
Hindi na sa pagkakita.
Guys, nangimik lang kami. Medyo inaantok na yung maneho. So, mapakita ko si Mio kung nasan. Ayun po si Mio. Kaway ka? Hi, brother. You okay, brother? You okay? We're at their museum, guys. This is what we call Sephora Museum. Yeah, so let's go inside. Oh. Mabigat eh. Huwag ka mag-ano. Hindi ka na. Hello. Guys, ito na po yung museum. Nandito handa kami sa loob. Actually, wala pa akong idea para batan. Konting nabasa ko lang sa Google. Yeah, ito po siya. Yung video ko na lang po guys kasi yung nabasa ko naman is hindi rin naman ganun kadami. So, I just wanna show you around their museum. Yes.
Ito yan siya. Okay.
Majilis.
Dito mo yung pang ano.
Yeah.
Snow.
Guys, look at their ticket. Yeah. And then meron silang pagantong eme. We don't know what's inside there. Yeah. So this is only 100 some per person. And then if you want someone who can guide you all through the way, this is 100, and then you're just gonna pay additional 600 some for the tour. The tour inside. Exit ka agad yan. Ayan, so meron silang mga ganito. Yeah, so it's just ito yung mga nakita ko sa sa YouTube. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Kaya yan yung mga nakita ko sa YouTube na mga sinusuot ng mga sinauna na taga dito. There and until there. Actually, maliit lang siya. We're just gonna go to the other side later kasi parang meron pa dun. Let's just right here. This is what you call panggiling. Sinauna panahon panggiling. And then, iikot niya lang siya. And then, magigiling yung nasa loob. show them what's inside. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, lahat po ng nagiinom ko, ito na. Oh, ang bilis na. Tapos ito naman yung mga gamit nila, no? Beb, alam ko kung ano to. Hoy, alam ko kung ano to. Pang ano yan, pang nilupak. No, sa kasaba cheese char. Oh, there. Alam ko yan, baboy na nilitsyon pero pinatuyo na lang. So guys, etong mga to, these are the leather and metal kitchen utensils. So, there you go. And then, these are their house equipment. Guys, tapos na po ang pagpapanggap. We're just gonna go inside the souvenir item po. Yes! Oh! Oh! Para siyang mga ano, Beb? Mga vintage. Restaurant ba tong mga to? CR yan, Beb. CR yan, Beb. Guys, CR yung mga yan, oh. Ang ganda. Kara, no? Ay, restaurant nga. Restaurant pala yung parang mga private something, no?
Oo. Si para.
Beb, ayan. Okay, done. Guys, iba yung lamig kapag gabi. Guys, look at their washroom. Oh, nice. Sipo, ang ganda. Oh. See? Oh my God! Meron na akong before na pasukin na ganito nung nasa hotel. I forgot the hotel, but it was in Marina. Yung washroom niya parang hotel. So, yeah. Tapos dito, kapag yung mga magdadasal, maghuhugas ng mga paa nila. So, it's a huge washroom po. Oh! Oh, tilapia?
Hindi. Ano ba yan? Tilapia na. Ano? Lapu-lapu?
Lapu-lapu, maliit ang lapu-lapu.
Wala, laki kaya. Ayun o, lapu-lapu.
Hito!
Hindi hito. Ayun, lapu-lapu. Parang pang aquarium.
Please look at the resto. Resto po yung mga yan. Yes. Photograph? Photograph. Malamang. Hello guys, good evening. Palamig na po ng palamig at mas lumalamig pa. So right now we are currently here at the Central Square.
Alatu Square is Kyrgyzstan main square. It is located in the center of Bishkek, and Alatu in Kyrgyz means great mountain. This is symbolizing the mountain's terrain and the nature of the country. This is also popular place for like festivals, any celebration, and any holidays. Same like this. Alatu is usually decorated with lights for Independence Day. Normally it is during the August, like August 31 and New Year's. So yeah, that's why we're here, because we wanted to see the lights of their Christmas tree, and as well as gusto naming magpika-pika ng mga street foods nila. This place is also good for a chill walk around, and the Kyrgyz national flag in the square is just in front of the museum and by the side of the tall statue of a freedom. is a major attraction. So, kaya naman nagpa-picture na kami ni Mio sa harap ng national flag nila. At this time, guys, I was looking for a hot dog or a sausage sandwich kasi parang nag-crave talaga ako when I saw one lady na kumakain ng hot dog. And yes, this is their Christmas tree. It was really wonderful moment, guys. Sobrang maganda po yung Christmas tree nila while we're eating our food. And there you go. Nakakuha na po kami ng food namin.
This is our third day of stay here, and we are currently in one of their nearest park in the hotel, and we're gonna go to Oj Bazaar, and we're just going to walk going there po. It's just around 32 minutes walk, and of course I'm still with her.
Hi guys, good morning. Another day, another vlog.
So yun po, yeah, we're here po sa park na malapit lang sa hotel, and we already took some picture po. So for today, we're just gonna walk throughout the city, and bibili na rin po kami ng mga souvenir po. Okay. Called Bishkek. And Bishkek nga. Yeah, and we're going to Osh Market now. Bishkek. Hindi Bishkek. So, kakaliwa tayo doon banda. From the corner.
In 50 meters, cross the road.
Guys, nandito na po kami sa market. Tingnan nyo. Oh God. Parang sa Pote Kabila po. Parang palengke po sa Pinas. There, ganito picture niya. As in literal. Literal na palengke po.
Ay, kadaming cake.
Yeah. They have lots of cake. There. So, pili po muna kami ng mga souvenir. Tingnan natin kung anong makuha natin. Okay, mamaya na ako mag-vlog. Guys, they have different places. Yung itong area na to. Yes, itong area na to para sa mga dried foods. And then outside, para sa mga clothes and all.
Magkano daw?
200 some.
200 some? They have the nice seats. Ayan, maganda din. Kaso na ang laki eh. Pwede rin naman, Beb. I-plastic na lang natin. Nice. Yung bilog, mas maganda. Yan. $600. Make it 500. Nuts. Ay, ayun mo, ano? Walnuts.
Guys, this is so nice. Walnuts, yes. Almond.
Pistachio. Cashew. Pistak. The other one.
Salted, okay? Salt.
Salt. This is salted?
No salt.
Okay, just mix. Mix. Yeah. Okay. Adi. No. Plum?
Raisin, okay? Guys, that's for Dr. Sophie. And pinapak na po. Ito po yung nasa loob niya.
What time ba riya?
Nandito po kami ngayon to one of their park na maganda po siya. We already took a picture and yes, kasi from after the Osh Bazaar, nakapamili na rin kami ng mga souvenir item. But then, parang it's too late na and may sakit po ako para umakyat pa ng mountains. So, we just decided to roam around the city and view niya. So, it's just a lovely place too, guys. Right now, we're looking for a place to eat. Samahan niyo kami.
Ayun na nga guys. Nagpo-trip na lang kami. Si Madam.
Hi guys, so it's currently around 11:40, 11:50 to be exact. And it is 28th of December. We're gonna go back home. We're gonna go back to Dubai. We are currently here at the Manaz International Airport of Kyrgyzstan, and yeah, we'll update you later. Mo, chup chup. Saan po ang biyahe nyo?
Pabalik na kami ng Dubai. Biyahit na po kami pabalik na ng Dubai.
And where's your next destination after Bishkek?
Nag-iisipan ko na. Baka sa Europe na. Europe. Diba? Doon siya?
Yeah.
Hindi niya nagbibid siya. Ayun na yun. Ganyan.
Nasaan?
Dito, makikita mo dito. Ayan.
Oo. Oo, nakita ko siya.